KitchenAid certified refurbished appliances are thoroughly tested and restored to perform like new at a discounted price, so you can unlock your potential while helping to reduce waste. Certified refurbished appliances are unused or lightly used KitchenAid products that have been thoroughly inspected and carefully restored to perform like new. Each factory refurbished appliance is assigned to a single technician. This person is responsible for ensuring quality and performance, a task they take very seriously. First, they carefully inspect the appliance by hand. If any part is damaged or hinders functionality, the part is replaced to return the appliance to the original electrical and mechanical condition. Our refurbished program strives to reduce waste through the reuse and recycling of high-quality parts. Upholding a commitment to sustainability is important to us. So that you can proudly display your refurbished appliance on your countertop, KitchenAid technicians carefully inspect each product for cosmetic defects such as scratches, blemishes, cracks, or stains. Repaired scratches on the product body must be minor enough to pass a cloth over the surface without snagging. The entire product is then cleaned by hand, inside and out, before being carefully polished, packaged with all required parts and accessories, along with the product manuals and guides, and shipped to your doorstep. Each KitchenAid certified refurbished appliance carries the personal stamp of approval of a designated expert technician. Once they've verified that a product is restored, the technician will sign off with their individual identification number. This number appears on the warranty card for some appliances and on the bottom of all KitchenAid certified refurbished stand mixers. Like new performance and the same KitchenAid quality standards at a discounted price. Explore refurbished appliances and more at KitchenAid.com today.